Hello everybody, hope you all are doing fine. I welcome you all on my channel mathskpreet. Today you'll see exercise 11.4 from grade 7th, and these are just the applications of area and perimeter we have studied so far. Let's see question number 1 from this exercise. It is saying that the book is NCERT, okay? So it is saying that a garden is 90-meter long and 75-meter broad. So this is talking about a rectangular garden. Let me draw here. Find a path of 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around. So this is a garden. We have to build a path around it and outside it. First, I'm mentioning the length and breadth of the rectangular garden. This is breadth here. This is given to us. So this is 5 meter wide path outside and around it. Outside, I have drawn this figure. Outside, around means it is covering all the 4 sides of the rectangular garden. Okay, this is 5 meter wide, 5 meter here. This width is 5 meter on all the 4 sides, 5 meter and 5 meter. Okay, so this is what this inside figure is, garden, rectangular garden, and this is path. So let me name this this figure as A, B, C, D, and this rectangular garden as I, J, K, L. Fine. So here we have to find the area of the path and find the area of the garden. First we will find the area of the path. To calculate the area of path, fine, if this is my figure, I am just drawing it again for you all. It is asking me to find the area of this path. This is possible to calculate only by just finding the complete area and subtract this area of the garden from it. From this complete area, when we subtract this area of garden, rectangular garden, we will get the area of this path. So what is the formula here? Solution is, we will write it as first length of I, J, K, L. What is I, J, K, L? Garden. So length is given 90 meter. Okay, and breadth of I, J, K, L is what? 75 meter. Now we will write length of this A, B, C, D. Length of A, B, C, D. Complete length we have to write. This much is what? 90. This is same as above rectangular garden. Here, from here to here, this is IJ. IJ is 90. 5 is this and 5 is this. That means we are just adding 5 and again 5 to this 90. Okay, so I am writing 90 plus 5 plus 5. Or other way to understand it better, I can write it as first 5 here, 5, then 90, this 90, then plus 5. So this is 90 plus 10, I am getting 100 meters. Next is breadth of ABCD. So breadth is what? We have this 75 meters. So on both sides we are just adding 5 to it to get this total 80. Okay, so 5 here, this much, plus 75 plus 5 again, 5 plus 75 plus 5, so 75 plus 10 is 80 meters. So these are the measurements of length and breadth for both the figures. Okay, so now to find the area of, what we have to find the area of path. Okay, so I'll write area of path. Area of path will be equals to what? Area of this bigger figure. What the name of this figure is? Area of ABCD, and from this area we will subtract what? Area of this garden. Area of IJKL. Fine, both the figures are rectangular. We know the formula for the area of rectangle. What is the formula? Formula is length into breadth. Okay, so this is the length for ABCD. This is ABCD, length into breadth. I'll just put the values here. So this is 100 for ABCD. Length is 100 and breadth is what? 85. And here area of IJKL 90. This is length, this is breadth. 90 into 75. Fine. So what I am getting? I am getting on multiplying 8500 minus 67 After multiplying, you will get this thing, 1750 meters square. So this is what? This is area of path. So first question we have given the answer, area of path is what? This much. Next is, it is asking us to find the area of garden. Which is garden here? IJKL. So what is the area of the garden is this, okay? Means 6750. So we can write area of garden, name it as IJKL here. So area of garden IJKL is equals to what? 19 to 75, again we will write, which is equals to 6750 meters square. This is an answer in meters square, but it is asking us to find the answer in hectares. So we know that 1 meter square is equals to 1 by 10,000 hectares. Okay, this is the formula here that we have to learn. 1 meter square is equals to 1 by 10,000 hectare. From here we can calculate the area of garden in hectares. So I will just divide. So in hectares I'll get 6750 divided by 10,000. I am getting the answer in hectares. So what I am getting, we can cancel these out, 1 2 3. It is 0.675 hectares. This is my answer for this area of garden in hectares. I hope you understood. This is the complete solution for this question. Let's see the next question. Question number 2 is very similar to question number 1. I'm leaving it for you all. You can do it by yourself the same way we have done question number 1. Let's see question number 3. It is saying that a picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter length and 5 centimeter wide. So the measurements for the cardboard is given to us. This is a rectangular cardboard. Why it is rectangular? Because both the measurements are different, 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. This is a cardboard, such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter along each of its side. So we know when we draw such things, we leave margin. So and we leave this margin inside of the paper. Okay. So if this is a cardboard and painting is done, it is saying that margin of 1.5 centimeter is there. Okay. So that means that picture is drawn in this area only, and this is the margin. So this is 1.5 centimeter. Okay. So from this figure, first let me name this as ABCD. ABCD. Again I am taking IJKL. I have to find the total area of the margin. Again, what we will do to get the total area of this margin, we will subtract from the area of ABCD the area of IJKL. So this is the solution here. First write the lengths and the breadths of the figure, that are 2 here. Okay. So length of rectangular figure, which I have to take IJKL, length of IJKL. Okay, what is this length? It is 8 centimeter, but I have to find this much length for IJKL. What I will do, this is what? 1.5, this is 1.5. This means this is 1.5, this is 1.5. To get this much length, what I will do, I will just subtract from this complete 8 1.5, again 1.5. So this is 8 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. See again, for this from this complete 8, if I subtract 1.5, I will get the length of IJ. Okay, so this is 8 minus 3 basically. So this is what? 5 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, we can write breadth of IJKL. So this complete measurement is what? This is given to us what? 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeter according to the question. And to write this much measurement, what I have to do? I have to subtract 1.5, this 1.5 and this 1.5 from here. So I'll subtract from this 5, 1.5, again 1.5. So 5 minus 3 is what? 2 centimeters. So this I or IL is what? 2 centimeter. Fine, I hope you understood. Next we will write the length and breadth of ABCD. Length of ABCD, this is given 8 centimeter, and breadth of ABCD is given 5 centimeter. Now to find the area of this margin, what I have to do? From the area of bigger figure ABCD, I will subtract the area of smaller rectangle. Okay, IJKL. From this complete figure, when I will subtract this, I will left with the area of this margin. So what is the formula? Length into breadth. Just put the values here. ABCD is this. So length into breadth, and this here is 5 into 2. So 8 5s are 40 minus 10, 30 centimeter square. This is the answer for the area of margin. Okay, I hope you understood. This was just a bit different from the question number 1 and 2. Here the figure is inside we have to make rather than outside as was given in 1 and 2. So to find this length we have to subtract here in spite of adding. So the question number 4 and 5 are similar. I am going to do question number 5 for you all. The only difference between both the question is that question number 4 is having a rectangular shape and this question number 5 is having a square shape. So let's do a question of square shape also. A path of 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden. So what is given to us? A square garden is given to us. This we are getting from the first line. And the side is what given? 30 meter. 30 meter. So all the 4 sides will be of 30 meters. Why? Because the figure is just a square. A path of 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside. Along the border and inside. That means this is the 1 meter wide path along and inside the garden. This was a garden, and this is 1 meter broad path is built inside and along the garden. Fine, let me name the figures as ABCD, IJKL. Okay, find the area of path. So this is a square figure. To find the area of path, first let me write the length and the breadth of both the square figures. So when I am drawing 1 meter path along the border and inside the garden, ultimately the figure inside I will get will be a square again. Okay, so I need not to write length and breadth, I just have to write the side of the figure. Okay, so here so I'll write side of IJKL. IJKL is what? IJKL is a remaining area. Okay, remaining area of the garden after excluding the area of the path. So what is side of IJKL is? This is my 30. This complete is 30 and this is 1. This complete is 30. This is 1. This is 1. Why? Because this is 1 meter broad or 1 meter wide path. So from this complete 30 I will subtract 1 and 1 to get my IJ. Okay, so side of IJKL is what? 30 minus 1 minus 1. So 30 minus 2 is 28 meters. Okay, now side of ABCD is given 30 to us. This is 30 meters. Now we have to find what? Area of this path. Again, area of path will be equals to area of ABCD minus area of IJKL. What is area of ABCD? 30 into 30, side into side, and here also side into side. This is the side written here. So this is 900 minus 784. So after just subtracting these values, I am getting 6 and 784. Okay, 1 and 1. 116. This is what area of path. Our first answer, area of path is equals to 116 meter square. So the next part is asking find the cost of planting grass, okay, in the remaining portion of the garden. This was my complete garden ABCD. This is the path. That means this is the remaining area. IGKL is the remaining area of this garden where we have to plant the grass, okay. So the cost of planting the grass is rupees 40 per meter square. We have to find the complete cost of planting the grass. We will write cost of planting grass for per meter square is equals to what? Rupees 40. This is given to us according to the question, and we have to find cost of planting grass in this total area for 116 meter square. So we will just multiply this 40 rupees with the total area and you will get your answer in rupees. So what is the answer here? 31360. After multiplying, you will get this amount as the cost of planting the grass in the remaining area or IJKL. I hope you understood this question of square as well. Let's see the next question. Question number 6 and 7 both are similar, so I am going to solve question number 7. Please do solve question number 6 by yourself. So it is saying that through a rectangular field of length 90 meters and breadth 60 meters. This figure is given to us. This is a rectangular field. This is 90 meter, this is 60 meter. A rectangular field is given. Two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides. Two roads are constructed and that are parallel to the side. Through means inside it. Two roads are constructed parallel to the sides. So one road is parallel to this side and second road is parallel to second side and cut each other at right angles through the center. So these are just going through the center and they are cutting at right angles, intersecting at right angles of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meter, okay, so first road from the center of this field is this and width is what? 3 meters, okay. So this is given 3 meter wide road. Next road, because there were two roads that are intersecting at 90 degree and going through the center of this field. Intersecting at 90 degree, this is the intersection of the roads and intersecting at the center of the field. So this is the figure. Find the area covered by the roads. That means we have to find this area, this road and this area, okay. I'm just shading this out. I have to find this area in the first part. Let me name this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I, J, K, L. If these are the names of the figure and its parts, let's solve this. Now I have to find area of this shaded portion. To find the area of this shaded portion, what I have to do, I will just find the area of these two rectangles that we can see here. Okay, first rectangle is EFGH. Area of EFGH plus area of IJKL. So when I am adding these two areas, in the first area, I am adding this portion. In the second area, in the area of IJKL, I am again adding this portion. But I have to calculate this once in the required area. Okay, here I am getting this area twice, but I need this area just one to get the area of the required covering by the roads. Okay, so what I will do, I will just subtract this. Let me name this as UVWX. Okay. So in this area and in this area. In this area I am getting the area of UVWX, and in this area again I am getting the area of UVWX. So twice I am getting, so I'll subtract the area of UVWX once from this complete area to get it single time. So this is equals to what? What is the area of EFGH? This was my 3 here. So here breadth is 3 for this rectangle, and what is the length here? This is same as AB. This FG is same as AB, and this is 90. So I can write length is 90 into 3. I hope you understood. Next road is this IGKL. So here for this road length is what? This KL or IG. This is 3 meter wide. So length is 3 here, and what is breadth here? This is breadth JL, which is same as BC. This is 60 given to us. Okay. Now I have to, from this area I have to subtract the area of UVWX one time. So if this is 3 according to the question, this is also 3, this is 3, this is 3. So this is making a square. So we will just subtract the area of this square. This is 3 into 3. What I am getting? 270 plus 180 minus 9. So I am getting what? This is 0 here, 5, 2, 3, 4 minus 9. So I am getting 441 meter square. This is the required area. We find the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 110 meter square. Similarly, we have, as we have done in the last question, we will write cost of constructing the roads for 1 meter square is rupees 110. This is the cost given for the construction of the roads for 1 meter square, but we have to construct this meter square of the roads for 441 meter square. So what I will do, I will just multiply this 110 with 441. So you will get your answer in rupees. You can multiply this and get your answer for the cost of the construction of these roads. So these were first 7 questions of exercise 11.4. We'll see the next questions in the next video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I'll try my best to solve your doubts as well. If you want to learn about some other topic, you can also mention that topics in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, study hard, hit like if you like, and subscribe for more. Share my videos in your circle. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.